In this video lecture, we will cover the identifying opportunities for AI in your business. In today's fast-paced world of technological advancements, one breakthrough innovation stands out: artificial intelligence. Its ability to revolutionize business operations, automate processes, extract valuable insights from data, and enhance customer and employee engagement has become indispensable. To thrive in the digital landscape, companies must seize the potential AI offers. In this video lecture, we will explore effective strategies to identify and prioritize AI opportunities, ensuring your business remains competitive in the modern era. Step 1. Identifying AI use cases. Embarking on an AI-driven journey begins with the vital task of identifying potential use cases that align with your business goals and challenges. By aligning your AI strategy with your overall business strategy, you can unleash the full potential of this cutting-edge technology. This involves a meticulous examination of the unique obstacles your business faces, coupled with the exploration of AI-powered solutions to address them effectively. By conducting a thorough assessment, you can identify areas where AI can create a significant impact, optimizing operational efficiency, elevating customer experiences, and boosting employee productivity. This process entails evaluating multiple potential solutions and discerning the ones that align seamlessly with your business objectives while demonstrating the highest potential for success. Step 2. Prioritizing AI opportunities. Once a range of potential AI use cases is identified, the next critical step is prioritization. By allocating resources to the most promising opportunities, you can ensure optimal utilization of time, talent, and capital. Prioritization necessitates a careful evaluation of each AI use case's potential impact on your business. One effective approach to prioritization involves hosting a collaborative Dream and Evaluate workshop. This workshop encourages diverse perspectives, fostering innovation and enabling participants to brainstorm and conceptualize potential AI use cases. By analyzing each case's potential impact on the business, you can identify the most compelling and valuable opportunities for AI integration within your organization. Additionally, evaluating the benefits of AI against the implementation costs is a crucial consideration. This entails conducting a comprehensive analysis of areas within your company that AI can enhance, followed by a thorough assessment of the resources required for implementation. By weighing the benefits against the costs, you can make informed decisions about prioritization. In summary, in today's digital landscape, it is essential to identify opportunities for AI in your business to maintain a competitive edge. By identifying potential AI use cases and prioritizing them based on their potential impact, you can ensure that AI delivers maximum value for your business. Moreover, AI's benefits extend beyond large enterprises. Small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, can also leverage AI to enhance their competitiveness. By aligning AI with their unique business strategies, SMEs can identify promising use cases and strategically allocate resources to drive growth, productivity, and unlock new opportunities. Furthermore, even individuals and small businesses can reap the benefits of integrating AI into their operations. By identifying relevant use cases and evaluating the potential benefits, they can streamline processes, gain valuable insights, and elevate their everyday operations to new heights. In conclusion, AI offers immense potential across various industries. By embracing AI and proactively identifying the opportunities it presents, businesses of all sizes can forge a path to success in the digital landscape. Therefore, seize the opportunity to embark on your AI journey today and unlock a realm of possibilities that will redefine the future of your business. As we know, artificial intelligence is transforming the way businesses operate, providing valuable insights, improving efficiency, and driving growth. However, selecting and implementing the right AI tools can be a daunting task for many organizations. 1. Define your goals and objectives. Before selecting any AI tools, it's essential to define your goals and objectives clearly. What do you want to achieve with AI? Do you want to improve your customer experience, increase efficiency, reduce costs, or something else? By clearly defining your goals and objectives, You can identify the AI tools that will best help you achieve them. 2. Identify your data needs. AI tools rely on data to provide insights and predictions. Therefore, it's essential to identify your data needs before selecting any AI tools. What types of data do you need to collect, and in what format? Do you have the necessary data infrastructure to support AI tools? By identifying your data needs, you can ensure that you have the right data to support your AI initiatives. 3. Evaluate available AI tools. Once you have defined your goals and objectives and identified your data needs, it's time to evaluate the available AI tools. There are numerous AI tools available, each with its strengths and weaknesses. Therefore, it's essential to evaluate the available options carefully. Consider factors such as ease of use, scalability, cost, and compatibility with your existing systems. 4. Start small and build incrementally. Implementing AI tools can be a complex and challenging process. Therefore, it's advisable to start small and build incrementally. Identify a specific use case that can benefit from AI, implement a solution, and evaluate its effectiveness. Once you have proven the value of the solution, you can expand it to other areas of your organization. 5. Involve key stakeholders. Selecting and implementing AI tools is not a one-person job. It's essential to involve key stakeholders. For example, if you have an IT company, you should involve key stakeholders, including IT personnel, data scientists, business analysts, and end users. Involving key stakeholders is crucial for the success of a business, and the types of stakeholders vary depending on the business type and how it operates. Some common types of stakeholders in a business include employees, customers, shareholders, suppliers, communities, government agencies, etc. By involving all stakeholders in the process, you can ensure that everyone is on board and that the implementation process goes smoothly. 6. Ensure transparency and accountability. One of the key concerns of using AI tools is the lack of transparency and accountability. Therefore, it's crucial to ensure transparency and accountability in your AI initiatives. Ensure that all AI algorithms are explainable and that the data used is unbiased. Also, establish clear policies and procedures for the use of AI tools and ensure that everyone in your organization is aware of them. 7. Monitor and evaluate performance. AI tools are not set-and-forget solutions. You must monitor and evaluate their performance regularly. Establish key performance indicators, KPIs, and monitor them regularly. If you notice any issues or areas of improvement, make necessary adjustments and optimizations. In conclusion, selecting and implementing AI tools can be a challenging task, but by following these best practices, you can ensure a successful AI implementation that will drive growth and efficiency in your organization. Define your goals and objectives, identify your data needs, evaluate available AI tools, start small and build incrementally, involve key stakeholders, ensure transparency and accountability, and monitor and evaluate performance. By following these best practices, you can unlock the full potential of AI in your organization. As artificial intelligence continues to advance and become more accessible, businesses of all sizes are considering adopting AI technologies to improve their operations and gain a competitive advantage. However, adopting AI is not as simple as purchasing a software package or hiring a consultant. It requires a comprehensive understanding of the technology, its potential benefits and limitations, and a solid business case to justify the investment. Step 1. Identify your business goals and challenges. The first step in building a business case for AI adoption is to identify your organization's goals and challenges. AI can be applied to a wide range of business functions, including customer service, marketing, finance, supply chain management, and more. Therefore, it is important to identify the specific areas where AI could have the most impact on your organization's performance. This could involve analyzing your existing business processes, identifying pain points, and setting clear goals for improvement. Step 2. Understand the potential benefits and limitations of AI. Before building a business case for AI adoption, it is important to have a comprehensive understanding of the technology and its potential benefits and limitations. AI technologies can help organizations automate processes, improve decision-making, reduce costs, and provide more personalized customer experiences. However, AI is not a silver bullet solution and has its limitations. For example, AI requires large amounts of data to learn from, and it can be biased if the data used to train it is biased. Therefore, it is important to understand the potential risks and limitations of AI before investing in the technology. Step 3. Conduct a cost-benefit analysis. Once you have identified your business goals and challenges and have a solid understanding of the potential benefits and limitations of AI, the next step is to conduct a cost-benefit analysis. This involves identifying the costs associated with implementing AI technologies, including hardware and software costs, consulting fees, and training expenses, and comparing them to the potential benefits, such as increased revenue, reduced costs, and improved customer satisfaction. The cost-benefit analysis should consider both the short-term and long-term costs and benefits of AI adoption. Step 4. Develop an implementation plan. After conducting a cost-benefit analysis, the next step is to develop an implementation plan. This involves identifying the AI technologies that are best suited to your organization's needs, determining the implementation timeline, and identifying the resources required for successful implementation. It is important to involve stakeholders from different departments in the implementation plan to ensure that everyone is aligned and invested in the success of the project. Step 5. Address ethical considerations. Finally, it is important to address ethical considerations when building a business case for AI adoption. AI has the potential to amplify biases and discrimination, so it is important to consider the ethical implications of the technology and ensure that it is implemented in a responsible and ethical manner. This could involve establishing ethical guidelines for the use of AI, ensuring that data used to train AI is unbiased, and ensuring that the technology is transparent and explainable. In conclusion, building a business case for AI adoption involves identifying business goals and challenges, understanding the potential benefits and limitations of AI, conducting a cost-benefit analysis, developing an implementation plan, and addressing ethical considerations. By following these steps, organizations can ensure that their investment in AI is justified and that the technology is implemented in a way that maximizes its benefits and minimizes its risks. Artificial intelligence has become an integral part of many businesses, and its adoption is growing rapidly. However, evaluating AI performance and ROI can be challenging. Measuring the ROI of AI initiatives is critical to ensure that the investment in AI is justified and that the business is getting the expected benefits. One of the main challenges of evaluating AI performance and ROI is that AI is a complex technology that involves many different components such as data, algorithms, and infrastructure. Therefore, it can be difficult to determine the exact contribution of each component to the overall ROI. Additionally, AI initiatives often involve a long-term investment, and the benefits may not be realized immediately. This can make it challenging to measure the ROI accurately. To overcome these challenges, businesses need to adopt a portfolio approach to computing the ROI for their AI initiatives. This approach involves evaluating the ROI of each AI initiative individually and then aggregating the results to determine the overall ROI of the AI portfolio. This approach can help businesses to identify which AI initiatives are delivering the most value and which ones need to be improved or discontinued. Another key practice for getting a positive ROI from AI initiatives is to implement best practices across data management, tracking results, and security and privacy. Effective data management is critical to the success of AI initiatives, as it ensures that the data used to train AI models is accurate, complete, and relevant. Tracking results is also important as it allows businesses to monitor the performance of their AI models and make adjustments as needed. Finally, security and privacy are critical to ensuring that AI initiatives are compliant with regulations and that customer data is protected. Measuring the ROI of AI initiatives is also important during a recession. As organizations adjust their AI initiatives to the new market conditions, it is critical to assess the ROI and risk-return trade-offs of their AI initiatives. Measuring ROI for AI projects is challenging, and it becomes even more critical during a downturn. Organizations need to account for the cost of wrong predictions, which depends on the application, environment, customers, and many other factors. In conclusion, evaluating AI performance and ROI is critical to ensuring that businesses are getting the expected benefits from their investment in AI. Measuring the ROI of AI initiatives is challenging, but businesses can overcome these challenges. By adopting a portfolio approach, implementing best practices across data management, tracking results and security and privacy, and accounting for the cost of wrong predictions. By doing so, businesses can ensure that their investment in AI is justified and that they are getting the expected benefits.